looks actually as if it's a wooden rifle. Interesting.
That's a mokuju for Jukendo, the other part of the sport.
Okay.
So it's a bayonet fencing.
Right.
And it's one of the more modern ones because it started being developed when Japan opened with the period of black sheep.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So they invited people from all over the world, German engineers, British sailors, French soldiers. And what's funny about that is because the Japanese they got their long martial traditions. For the bayonet was the same thing. The French they lunge. The Japanese they said no, that's not good. That's weak. So they switched for the traditional fumikomi.
Like a stomp. Okay.
What's nice with the practice of Jukendo is it's all around that basic philosophy. This is all about one movement. Everything is it's easy to learn or to master.
Bayonet is actually it's a separate sport or martial art from kendo.
Yes.
Okay. And what is it called?
Jukendo for when you go with the
Jukendo. Okay.
And Tankendo, which when you go with the bayonet off.
Okay. Is it normal that you have like sort of the armor on your shoulder just on that one side?
Yes, because
You're fighting sort of.
It's line infantry.
Right.
So I
Okay.
got my body there, I got my body there. That's what it's how it started.
Nice to meet you, Régis. Thank you so much for all the information. Really interesting.
Well.